Hi, it's Victor Semblin, Senior National Artist with MAC Cosmetics, and today I'm joined by my friend, Carrie Blair. Hi, Carrie.
Hey, Victor. I am Carrie Blair, and I am also a Senior National Artist based in North America, and today we are so excited to talk to you about one of our favorite makeup artist must-haves, as well as MAC's #1 skincare selling item, which is the Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So not only is this a hydrating spray, but it also is a setting spray that really helps to lock your makeup into place. And Victor is going to start to demystify a little bit of why we love this product so much.
Absolutely. Thanks, Carrie. So let's dive in. So at MAC, we call this Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So preparing the skin and priming it all with one product. As far as preparing the skin, Fix Plus is a hydrating spray with what we call the 3 C's. It's got chamomile, cucumber, and caffeine. So you're gonna mist your skin with Fix Plus and then continue on with a moisturizer. That's how you're preparing your skin. So Carrie, why don't you tell us how you prime your skin with Fix Plus?
So primers are sort of a big buzzword in the cosmetic industry. And the real kind of key to that is that if you think about your skin as a canvas, you kind of want to gesso the canvas or prime the canvas. And so using primers everywhere you're applying makeup is really the key. So that's why Fix Plus is so great, because it really gives you sort of a dot matrix, sort of curtain of confidence, if you will. And then, as you just saw, I added a little bit of one of my favorite foundations, which is the Studio Fix Fluid, something I wear quite often, and a 170 brush. And now it just applies so smoothly and so easily because my skin has already sort of been primed, if you will, with the Fix Plus. The other thing that's so amazing about this is that as you are building your makeup, once you get to the end, if you mist your skin for a second time, so you're kind of creating almost like a Fix Plus sandwich, right? You got Fix Plus at the beginning to help prime your skin. You apply a little Fix Plus at the end to help hold it in.
I love that. And you're right, you know what? We live in a day and age where who's got time to babysit their makeup, right? So I have one more use that I love to use with Fix Plus. And by the way, if you're looking for a fun hack, if you actually store Fix Plus in your refrigerator, this will be so cooling, not only from the ingredients of Fix Plus, but also you can actually keep it in your refrigerator and it'll be the most spa-like experience as you mist the Fix Plus. So the last way that I like to use Fix Plus is if your makeup begins to sort of break down, say after lunch, you can revitalize your makeup by squirting our Fix Plus right into our number 109 brush. And you can actually just tap this right on top of, say, foundation that's begun to break down. And we'll actually sort of just give a second life to your foundation. So that's 3 different times preparing the skin, setting it as Carrie explained, and also revitalizing your makeup all with Fix Plus.
Right, so I actually just did the finishing layer of my makeup using a little bit of the Studio Fix powder foundation in 1. And now what I'm gonna do is take that Fix Plus and use it as a setting spray. And I'm just gonna make sure that I'm locking all of those particles into place. And for those of you who are powder wearers or have worn Studio Fix in the past, you know oftentimes when you apply it, it does give a little bit of a powdery texture. So the way to kind of do a 2 steps in one, is you can eliminate that powdery texture as well as set your makeup by just misting that curtain of confidence again and giving yourself that setting property. And I gotta tell you also, my curls love some Fix Plus.
Hey, hashtag curtain of confidence. I love that, Carrie. And I have to tell you guys that, you know, Fix Plus for me, this lives in my gym bag. This lives obviously in my attaché case. It can live in your makeup bag. It can live in your to-go travel bag. I've given this to my mom, to my sister, to my brother, and even to some of my celebrity clients in Hollywood. So really everyone universally around the globe loves Fix Plus. And it really is one of those just spa treatments in a bottle that you can take with you anywhere, and it's so multifunction, and that's kind of the age that we're living in when it comes to makeup, is products that have dual functions. So take a trip to the spa, all with our #1 selling skincare product for MAC, Fix Plus.
You won't regret it. It really is a makeup artist must-have for all those reasons. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. We love talking to you and sharing our tips and tricks with you, and we'll see you next time.